You have your Moqui marble earrings and your Moqui marble bracelet with bloodstone, and now you can add the Moqui marble necklace to your collection. My name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the jewelry designer here at the Satin Crystals boutique, and today we are presenting you with the brand new Moqui marble necklace design. So this is a natural Moqui stone, undrilled, secured in a vintage brass cage, and it hangs from a smooth antiqued copper chain, which is secured with a lobster claw clasp. The necklace comes in a variety of lengths, so you can layer them up. You can also place your favorite essential oils straight into the stone. It's porous and it'll absorb the oils, and you can have aromatherapy with you throughout the day. In crystal healing, Moqui marbles are known for their grounding and balancing energies. It has a very earthy effect. So whenever you're going about your day, you feel a little frazzled, you forget to stop and breathe, the Moqui marble will remind you to enjoy the present moment here on Earth. This necklace design is exclusively found at satincrystals.com, so head there. You can find the design in many different lengths, and also if you just want the pendant itself, you can place it on your own favorite chain. While you're at Satin Crystals, don't forget to join the VIP club, as you will get members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.